All right, we're out here with the Rolling Legends, and as you can see, it's a cornucopia, if you will, of nothing but classic, heavy metal. And I'm talking about in the literal sense and figuratively. Chuck D would love it. Old school. It's never finished. That is so clean. Hey, this is clean. Hey, I'm gonna tell y'all something. The paint job on this car, this camera just does it no justice. So it's got 2 amps. Well, that's 1 amp. Yeah. Hideaway. I'm gonna get one. Look at this. If I'm not mistaken, this is a Buick Regal. Well, how about that?
What is this?
Thunderbird. The exhaust port. Yeah, this is Thunderbird.
I'm not looking like that.
$445.
It doesn't turn with the wheels.
Check out the Bonneville. She's slick. And she thick. Out here today at the old school convention. Everything in here is 30 plus, like me. You're not wrong. Z06. Oh, what have we here? This is a Thunderbird, but if you pay attention, wait, what? Oh my. Oh my. Oh my.